everybody. The sound we're going to do this time is a bouncy sound. K, 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 k. K, 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 k. K, 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 k. Excellent. Now our picture sounds today, our pictures are k, 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 kite. Well done. K, 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 kitchen. Excellent. K, 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 kettle. And k, 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 key. Well done, everybody. So today it's a kangaroo, and that's going to help us to write our sound. So you can watch as I draw the kangaroo on the board, and we're going to say kangaroo. Doesn't look much like a kangaroo at the moment, does it? So we need to give him a head, some ears, face, his body, his leg, here's his other leg, and this is his tail. Okay, so we've got kangaroo. Let's go down. Kangaroo. Again. Kangaroo. Now this time we're going to write a k. K. Let's have a little look at our sound card. So here we go. Kangaroo. K. Let's check. Kangaroo. K. Kangaroo. K. Okay, so you ready? Can I catch anybody out today? The card is spinning. Kangaroo. Well done. K. Excellent. One more. K. Fantastic. So we'll leave that there. Now, we need to practice our sounds. Here is our k sound, and we need to put it into the middle of our pile. And we're going to start with I, k, p, g, o, k, d, t, s, a, I, k, p, g, o, k. Did you remember the point? I hope so. Let's go through again. D, t, s, a, I, k, p, g, o. Good pointing. K. And back to d. Well done, everybody. Now, we're going to practice writing our sound. But before we write it on the paper or your board, we're going to use our finger to air write. And we need to know the phrase to help us. So what we're going to say when we write this time is down the kangaroo's body, up his tail, down his leg. Okay? So let's stretch and do it. Down the kangaroo's body, up his tail, down his leg. Again. Down the kangaroo's body, up his tail, down his leg. Now I'm going to write some sound on the board, and you can practice writing at home. If you want to spend a little bit longer doing it, you can pause the video, okay? Remember what we need to say. Down the kangaroo's body, up his tail, down his leg. Down the kangaroo's body, up his tail, down his leg. Down the kangaroo's body, up his tail, down his leg. Excellent. Good practicing. So, it's time for Fred. Fred has got some sounds as well today. I wonder what sounds Fred has got for us. You're going to use our new K sound, Fred. Excellent. So, Fred is going to say, okay, K, I, T. Can you push those sounds together? Let's do it again. K, I, T. Kit. Excellent. And where was the K sound? At the beginning. You're right. Listen to the next one. Okay. B, A, K. Back. Well done. And where was the K sound in that word? B, A, K. Back. It was the last sound. One more. S, A, K. Sack. Excellent. Well done, everybody. See you next time.